I'm back with another video. This is a type of accident where it's another rear end accident, but in this type of accident, cars are on the road, and as another car approaches these slowed cars, it is slowing also, but another car comes in and scooches into this lane, and that car takes up most of the stopping space that this car has. So this car scooches in and this car hits this car. This is tricky because everybody knows that you're not supposed to rear end people, but when somebody comes in just at the last minute, it can be questionable as to who's liable for this accident. So I suspect this happens when this lane seems worse than this lane to this person. So as a driver, you've got to be aware of the choices that the people in front of you are making. And you gotta look out for this one. I'm calling this one Accident Type 5.
Too fast, too furious person over here.
These all are. These all literally all are.
And like these guys are stopped, so like this guy just kind of cut in front of me, and like I didn't have enough time to slow down, so I ended up hitting them. And the car behind me like kind of swerved to the side, like, you know, screeching tires, like just like white smoke from like the rubber and everything.
Oh, right on.
And
But
so,
you had the only impact, so it's like totally this guy's fault.
Well, I guess it was technically my fault because I'm the one who
That did the hitting?
did the hitting.
It depends on the cut-in. Like
No, it doesn't.
No?
It's the fact that I rear-ended them. It was automatic. Even though this was a solid white line, and you're not allowed to do that, it's insurance still said like you rear-ended them, so it's your fault. Yeah.